Hey guys, what's up? It's Naomiindio here, aka Mary, and today I'm going to be filming a video for you guys. Today I'm going to be giving you guys 50 video ideas to do for your channel. And these for all different types of channels. I'm going to go right into this video. I'm not going to drag on with a long intro. So the first video idea that I have is get to know me, or like facts about you. You can call it get to know me. You can call it facts about you. It's just make your channel get to know you, and make sure you have your intro on that video so that they get to know you, basically. Next up, you should do a cooking video, and while you're cooking, you should be talking about stuff or answering questions or just like doing something. Don't just cook. Or like what is it called when you're cooking? Show them how to cook, how to do it. Like a cooking video, meaning like they ain't gonna want to just sit there bored watching you cook, and you're not like talking to the camera, and it's just like music and stuff. So like talk to them and show them how to do the cooking video, or how to cook what you're cooking, or what is it called? Or like talk to them about questions and stuff like that about your YouTube channel and stuff. Okay, for the third video idea, it is trying TikToks. If you don't know what TikTok is, it's this viral app that a lot of teenagers and kids and even adults use. A lot of people use it, and so I think you should do trying TikToks. You should also do trying TikTok DIYs, because that's another video that people might want to see. Like if you don't know how to, wait. So what you do is go to TikTok, you get some hacks or some DIYs off of TikTok, because it'd be like a lot of hacks and TikToks, and a lot of hacks and DIYs on TikTok. So you get the TikTok hacks or DIYs, and then you get the TikTok hack or DIY, and then you bring it to YouTube and you try it on YouTube to see if it really works. I have reacting to anything, actually. Reacting to a music video that just came out. You gotta be on it though. Like when you about to react to a video, like if Beyonce drop a video, you gotta be right there about to react to it. If somebody drop a video that you like and you know they're gonna get a lot of views, you gotta be right. That's like an hour after they drop it, you gotta drop it to you. So react to somebody's video, or react to a lot of stuff. It's just reacting to your old TikToks, reacting to a YouTube video, reacting to a music video, just react to stuff, and people will like your content. Next idea is a review video, which is basically like reacting, but it's reviewing stuff. Like if you get something in the mail, review it, because YouTubers might want to buy that product and might be searching on YouTube for that product that they want to buy. So it's just like, because I search a lot of stuff, I ain't gonna cap. You can review like if you get something new, review it and just post it on YouTube, because people might like that content, because people want to know, like if you, what is a good example? If you get a new vacuum and it's a brand new one, and people saw it on TV and they really want to see if it like really works in like real life, and they're gonna Google, does this vacuum really work good? And then you Google it and you're demonstrating it and you're reviewing it and vacuuming your floor to see if it's like really good. People are gonna click on that, and you're gonna get a lot of views off of that. So you should do review videos. So since quarantine is going on, and coronavirus and COVID-19, and it's the same thing, but I'm just saying the different names, right? But since that is going on, a lot of people have been doing quarantine vlogs, and people like seeing that because everybody's at home bored and don't know what to do. So it's just like, why not watch a quarantine YouTube video? So it's just like quarantine vlogs, or quarantine vlog. You could just vlog your day, whatever you're doing in your house. You could talk to the camera. Idea, you could do a quarantine morning routine, and I've been seeing these everywhere. You could do a quarantine morning routine, because it will get a lot of clicks, I feel like, even though it's like quarantine is like over, I heard in some states, but some states it's not over. So it's just like you can go ahead and do a quarantine video. And then also I just recently did one of these videos. You could also do a favorites products videos. Like I'm pretty sure you got like products around your house that you like a lot, or that you use every single day, and if you're using it every day, that means that's a favorite. So do a favorite products video, and you can at least have like 20 items in it, so that's a good video. All right, my next idea is a skincare routine. You can do a skincare routine for your channel, because everybody wants to know like what is your, like if you have soft skin, or like if you have pimples before or anything. Just people like to know like, a skincare routine, like what is your skincare routine? I've been seeing that in a lot of people's comments. So it's like, just do a skincare routine. All right, for my next idea, I have a hair routine, because a lot of people like to see people doing their hair and how they do their hair. Because if you got a bomb ass hairstylist, like do a hair routine. If you got a bomb hairstyle, it's just like do a hair routine. I want to see your hair routine. So like you should do a hair routine. Okay, you could do a day in my life, because a lot of people like seeing people's lives and what goes on in reality. You can also do story time. You can do a story time about anything. Literally anything, like time you learn how to do makeup, time you the story time or anything. You can also do a makeup tutorial if you want to, or if you're into makeup, or if you got makeup. A video idea, you could do a prank. You could do any type of pranks. There's so many pranks out there. Google them. All you gotta do is type in pranks. You could do a prank on your boyfriend, your mother, your uncle, your anybody. You could do a prank on anyone inside your family, and even not inside your family. You could just do a prank on anybody. The idea is a room tour. A lot of people like watching room tours, so that would get a lot of clicks. So I think you should watch. So I think you should record a room tour and just make sure your room is looking delicious or whatever. And then people also like to watch house tours, so you should do a house tour, because I watch the fuck out of house tours, so yeah. You also could do a closet tour inside your room. Okay, just check. You can also do a hair journey. You could do a hair journey about how you do your hair, if it was damaged before or if it isn't. You can still do a hair journey of how your hair has been ever since a kid all the way until an adult, if you're an adult yet. And then if you're not, you still could do it. You want to do a workout routine, you can go to your gym workout, at home workout, or quarantine workout. That's what you could call it. You could do anything like something like that. Also, people like to see people's weight loss journeys. I like to see people's weight loss journeys, like show like a video of your weight loss journey. Another challenge I have is the yoga challenge, a mukbang. You can also do a bake off, a hair tutorial, an ASMR video, a lookbook. You can have someone rate your outfits for a video. You can do any 24-hour video, like a 24-hour transformation video, a 24-hour car video, a 24-hour my fucking kitchen and low. A cleaning video of you cleaning your house or cleaning your bathroom, cleaning your room, cleaning anything, cleaning your closet. Also, pull an all-nighter. A bikini haul. You could do a video about what you eat in a day. A room makeover. Introducing your pets. How to edit Instagram pets. How to edit Instagram pictures. How to edit iMovie like a professional. How to make a YouTube intro on your phone or on anything. Last to leave somewhere. Q&A, question and answer. Never have I ever. Truth or dare. Turning yourself into a catfish. Song lyric blank. Song lyric prank. Weird food combinations. Summer haul. Changing diets with someone. Letting Instagram control your life, or someone control your life. Someone does your voiceover. What's in the box challenge? So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And comment a purple heart if you made it to the end of this video.